Hello everybody, we are here at one of our favorite spots we like to come to, Cape San Blas, Florida. So, for those of you that don't know, Cape San Blas was absolutely devastated by Hurricane Michael, and I'll have a picture in the video to show you the before and after from the U.S. Geological Survey, and it was bad. In fact, this house is pretty much in the water now.
It's in the water.
So you used to be able to walk through this gate right here down to the beach. Not so much anymore. Now you're walking down into the ocean. You can literally hear the waves right there. So all that beachfront is gone, and so this is not quite the experience we were expecting. But to stay on the topic, Cape San Blas is pretty awesome.
Yeah, but we've seen all kinds of marine life. We saw lots of dolphins yesterday. Like, I don't know how many dolphins.
Awesome. We must dolphins. We saw this morning stingrays come up real close.
Lots of ghost crabs.
Lots of ghost crabs.
Maybe one that wasn't a ghost crab.
Definitely not a ghost crab.
Not that big.
Something kind of cray. I don't know what it was. There are all kinds of fish. I got a video of some fish that must have been like dying or sick or whatever, but he was like swimming it, and it was beaching itself. We kept throwing it back into the ocean. It would like swim. It was about that big or so. Other things to think about for Cape San Blas that we love: bonfires on the beach. We had one. We'll hopefully try to have another, but there's some rain moving in. I broke out the drone so you can see. So the Cape San Blas is a little peninsula that sort of juts off of the Gulf Coast, Port St. Joe, Florida. And so there's a bay, and then there's the Gulf. And so you can see we're kind of on that little sandy spit, if you will, in between the Gulf and the bay. And it's pretty awesome. The sunsets are to die for.
That's our favorite thing about this place, really. Well, I guess there's a couple top fives. Sunsets are incredible. Even last night, where we didn't see the actual sun go down in the water like the nights
awesome.
prior, the sky lit up, and these pinks and purples and magentas.
It was awesome. I mean, the sunsets, the sandy beaches. The bummer is we don't have that great a one in front of our house, but clearly we can go down.
A little private beach to the side.
Yeah, and really probably one of the best things about it is it's not commercialized, so there's no commercial property. Very few. There's like one or two restaurants here on the Cape. Yeah, it's not the best kept secret anymore. That's for sure. There are a lot of people here, and frankly, there's a lot of new construction. They're slapping new houses up, and we talked to one guy who's making like $130,000 a year in rentals, and he's only renting half a year. Now he's got a 5-bedroom, 4-story, so he can accommodate bigger groups. But still, the amount of money we paid here for this house on the beach is almost $7,000 a week. And this house, was. I think we both. I don't want to call it out by name, but it was okay. Let's just say it was advertised differently.
It's quiet-ish.
It's quiet-ish, and it is actually very quiet. You can light off fireworks, bonfires. You can have dogs on the beach. You can drive on the beach. There's really a lot of cool things here, and so really, next couple of days are really just going to be us kind of chilling, spending time with the kids, some drone footage, which is cool, and some amazing sunset photos. So sit back, relax, and enjoy what you see. So again, I just have to show you how much the Gulf comes under the house. This house used to have a huge amount of beach in front of it before Hurricane Michael. So off for a bike ride with the kiddos. We found this cool little walkway, this decking that ran up on the bay side, and you could see all out to the bay. which is pretty awesome. So we took advantage of that. So check out this crazy fish Izzy and I ran into that literally just was like swimming and beaching itself and swimming right up to us. No idea what that is. So time to take a little family walk down the beach, and it was so cute with Miles holding my hand, and Izzy was all excited. Of course, she's still in her pajamas. Go figure.
Say hey, bub.
Yeah! Yeah! Got the best eating house?
Yeah! He's got the best eating house.
Isabella!
Look, where's my hand?
Did it grab you?
Like, did he shoot down the hole? Oh, he's gone. The hole's like 4 feet deep. Took a little bit, but we got the fire going. And, you know, last night, gotta enjoy, right? And just, we were really lucky, man. The weather held out. There was a storm that pushed through and went south. So, you know, it's nice and calm now. Well, except for the crazy redheads over there. But outside of that, I mean, look at this crazy. Crazy. What's up, guys? We finally got the fire going. Cape San Blas. Wow. That's kind of cool. And we got a little bit of a full moon too here. Isabella. What? You enjoying your time?
Yes!
Yes?
This is the last day of Cape San Blas, the one last day.
What year is it? 2023. Wow, look at the sunset behind you. It's crazy cute.
Oh, but the sun went down already. You missed it. It's in Mommy's picture.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Go check out in Mommy's picture. It has a little dot.
Okay. You got it in your picture, apparently? Okay.
Let's see.
Okay.
Well, that wraps up another awesome trip to Cape San Blas. We saw a crepuscular ray, whatever the heck that is, look it up. Super cool phenomenon in the sky, and just had an amazing time with the family. So check out these photos, enjoy, and definitely make a trip down to Cape San Blas.
from the turf. I never switch sides, like even when I die, I'ma ride for the squad, let her ties in the hearse.